Hi guys, this week I had the frustration of two really good setups got spoiled by the news. I've shown you lots of times on our YouTube channel explanations as how I trade news, and you can go onto the channel and check all that out. So this week the good setups I had were in the euro pound and the New Zealand dollar. But as I explained at the beginning of the week, the CPI for both of these was extremely important, and therefore there was a chance that could rock the markets, and therefore I took the orders off to wait for the dust to settle. And this is what happened. So the setup on the New Zealand dollar was a break of a weekly trend line, a break of the 55 EMA, significant break up here on a weekly. So my bias is now to buy. And then on the daily, we've got the fib level, we had the 55 EMA, we've got that trend line. This was the order. The news came out, wrecked it, and it went through. Had I left that running through the news, it would have lost. It's frustrating because it was such a good setup. Equally, the euro pound. This was the area I have shorted on a number of occasions recently and had some good winning trades. I had the order in here initially. I think I'd stepped this 1 and 2. Pound news came out. Inflation dropped more than expected, which is negative for the currency, and it shot straight through. I did have a really good win on the pound Aussie that I'll show you in a separate video next.